Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter. And for this weekend, I'm going to share with you my mini haul from Japan. So I recently went to Japan, particularly the part of Sapporo. And of course, as you know, in all of the places in Japan, there's usually a Daiso, which is the equivalent of a Dollar Tree in the US. So basically, there are a lot of different stuff there, from home goods to food items, and also a lot of craft supplies. So I just did a little bit of shopping and bought these things that I think will be good for my clay projects. So let's dive in. So for the first thing that I bought these clips that I think this part will be very good to put a slab on. So I haven't used it yet. I'm still thinking of the slab that I want to place there, but I'll share it with you once I'm done. Next, I bought these food cutters. Actually, Japan loves their, lunch boxes. So they always have these different cutters. And from experience, they're very sharp. I don't have any of these designs yet, and I thought the train in particular would be very good for a Christmas ornament. Next, I bought this silicone mold alphabet mini charms maker. So I was really obsessed with this one because if you watch my other videos, I love making pendants and personalized stuff. And this actually has a space for the hole in it. And I'll show you in a bit what I've done with this. And of course, I went to the nail section because I usually get some very light nail parts there. And these are the ones that I chose. Bows. Again, this is what I was thinking for Christmas. And actually, I don't know what this shape is, but I was also thinking that it would be perfect for Christmas earrings. And finally, I bought this wooden, I think these are coasters if I'm not mistaken, but I thought it would be great to use for, doing photos with my earrings. I hope that you enjoyed my mini haul. I only bought really what I needed. I didn't want to buy anything in excess. And if you happen to like this video, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!